Data science. Data science is a new buzzword in the market right now. It helps to analyze users' past behaviors to devise strategies and predict the future for sustainable growth. Demand for data scientists is bound to increase in the near future. But things like lack of domain knowledge, inadequate data pre-processing skills, weak statistics fluency, and poor analytical skills can refrain you from becoming an employable data science engineer. To overcome all barriers, join Grras Professional Training Program for Data Science that's designed to provide you with complete knowledge of data science and machine learning, covering aspects such as web scraping, data pre-processing, linear algebra or mathematics, data modeling, analysis and visualization, predictive analysis, machine learning models, error analysis, and more. Inquire today for better clarity and understanding.